Hi everyone. So this is Saurabh and I'm just going to make one very simple hair mask and homemade hair conditioner for men. So यहाँ पे मैंने लिया है papaya paste. This is just 100 grams of papaya cubes blended. So let's take out the papaya paste. अब papaya paste में just add a little bit of curd, just the normal curd, and approximately 2 tablespoons. So there goes the curd in. Add half tablespoon of aloe vera gel. There goes aloe vera gel as well. And then add just a dash of coconut oil. Mix this really well. Apply on your hair. Leave for 25 minutes. Rinse and look at your hair.